Lesson number 11, Cell Structure and Microorganisms. First, what is the name of the minute components of which the body of a living organism is made? The minute components of which the body of a living organism is made is called a cell. Is the number of these smallest units the same in the bodies of all living organisms? No, the number of these smallest units is not same in the bodies of all living organisms. We have learned that cellular organization is the primary characteristics of all living organisms and that the cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of living organism. Let's take a simple example. Complete the flow chart. First is alphabet, then words, sentence, paragraphs, chapters and book. So now we see the structural organization of a book in the flow chart. Similarly, there are organization levels in living organisms too. Cells, tissues, organs, organ system, organism. Cells form the basis of the structure and function of all living organisms. It is only with the help of cells that living organisms carry out all their different life processes. Use your brain power. Where do the life processes of unicellular organism takes place? All the life processes of unicellular organism takes place within the one cell only. Great scientist in 1665, a scientist Robert Hooke observed a thin section of cork under a microscope. In this section, he saw hexagonal compartments like those of a beehive. He named those compartments cells. This term is derived from the Latin word cella, which means small room. In 1838, the two scientists M.J. Schleiden and Theodore Schiavone formulated a theory about cellular structure which stated all the living organisms are made up of cells and the cell is the fundamental component of living organisms. In 1885, Rudolf Virchow stated that all cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Measurement and observation of cells. In 1673, Anton van Leeuwenhoek assembled various lenses to construct a microscope. He was the first to observe live bacterial and protozoan cells under the microscopes. Cells are extremely minute in size. We cannot see cells with the naked eyes. Micrometer and nanometer are the units for measuring their sizes. The compound microscope is used for observing cells. An object on a glass slide magnified many times by the lenses of this microscope. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 micrometer, 1 micrometer is equal to 1000 nanometer. See, again I repeat, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Let's try this. Take a piece segment of onion and carefully separate the thin skin from its concave surface with the help of forceps. Place the membrane on a glass slide and put a drop of water on it. Take care that the membrane does not get folded while placing on the slide. Put a drop of a dilute solution of iodine over it and observe under the 10x objective of the compound microscope.